Hey guys, here's a quick video on how to upload your photos after you place an order on the Picsera website. So we have two methods. We have a web uploader that you'll see. So when you get to the checkout screen, you can either click here to use the web uploader, or you can click here to use DropBox. If you're going to be sending us a lot of files, north of 50 images, big raw files, or even 100 files, or if you're shooting a wedding and there's a Lightroom catalog and thousands of images, use the Dropbox integration that we have. It's very efficient. So I'm going to walk you guys through how the integration works. I will before I get to this, I'm going to come right back to that. Give me a second. Let me just show you something on my desktop, which shows you how to get this set up. So a few things. When we say use the Dropbox desktop software, that means that you have to go to Dropbox and you have to download their software that runs on your computer. That's step number one. So you just go to dropbox.com, you'll see your name at the top right, and then just click on your name and you should see an option that says install desktop software. And then on your computer, once you have the software installed, they create, this is a Mac, but it's the same concept in Windows. They create a little folder, a root folder in your file system. And you need to create another folder inside Dropbox called Picsera. And I have a folder here called Picsera, if I can just find it. Here it is, it's at the very top. And inside the Picsera folder, you need to have your job folder. So our integration with your Dropbox account only looks inside your Picsera folder. We don't look at your entire Dropbox account. So for each order that you send to us, have a folder where you place the images for that job. Typically, people will, if they send us, one order a day, they'll typically date the folder with the date, or they'll name the folder with the date. If it's real estate, they typically name the folder with the property address. If it's weddings, they typically name the folder with the name of the couple. Name the folder whatever you want. It just, whatever makes sense to you. But I have this folder today that I created, and I placed two files in there because I'm going to upload those two files now through Picsera. And the way that I do that is when I get to the checkout screen, I click this option here called Use Dropbox. Now, the reason this is going to work for me now is because I did another step, which is to connect my Dropbox account to my Picsera account. And I'm going to show you that step in just a second. But for now, once you're set up, you click this link, and here are all the folders that I have in my Picsera folder on my computer. And I'm going to select this folder because that's the order for today. I'm going to click choose, and that's it. Now you'll get this message: your files are being transferred. This process can take up to 10 minutes. Once the transfer process is complete, we'll send you an email confirming the number of files we received. The file count listed on the My Order screen will be updated. Okay, so it generally doesn't take 10 minutes. It's usually pretty quick. But that's the process. Now, how do you connect your Dropbox account to your Picsera account? You come to the Tools tab, and you'll have a button here that says Link Dropbox Account. So you're going to want to make sure that you're connected or logged into Dropbox when you do this step. So yeah, that's pretty much it. As long as you have you should have like another tab open with Dropbox and make sure you're logged in. Then you come over here and you click link Picsera with Dropbox. Then we're going to have the account connected, and then you'll be able to use the Dropbox chooser on the checkout screen, like I just showed you. We'll send you an email letting you know how many files we received, and that's it. That's how you upload using Dropbox.